Hi, what's up? How you guys doing? I'm Zeki. This is Getting Rich. You know the drill. I make some videos about getting rich, and this channel is made purely to make me rich, and eventually just giving you guys the blueprint of how to do it, what to do, and just how to become rich yourself. Anyway, I've been looking around here and there, and well, it's kind of hard to make a lot of money online, but it's all in my head, actually, and all in your head. So I know eventually, if I do something right and I keep on going with it, and I make people get an audience and everything, eventually I'll get the money I work for, the money I want to, the goal I set myself. But I really need to see a problem that needs to fulfill, or help at least someone out, right? And right now I'm just searching, what's the best option. Well, people out here on my I don't know, for you page, how do you call this, related videos, are just talking about how much money you can make, SMMA, social media marketing agency, making money and all that. And when you look back, they are making money and I'm not. What's the difference between this guy, for example, who claims he's making 30k right now as of this month? Oh, he is actually making how much you making? Like 2k from this channel. I know he has another channel. Maybe he has 30k, maybe he doesn't, but he's making it. He's making money anyway. So how do you do that? And that's the question I'm asking myself over and over again. How do you do that? And when I find it, you get to know first. Honestly, I've been searching around on that. I've been searching around, doing things. This is getting rich. I'm searching for steps to get yourself rich. Maybe I'm just repeating myself. I'm sorry for that. But honestly, I can't tell this enough. When I found a way, you see how I did it and how I made money. And it's just a quick update that I'm still here doing all them things, besides school, beside work. I really want it, so I'm doing it, and that's it. Anyways, I hope it's helpful. Some motivation is very important. I can't just stop after a month or two with no results. Alright? So I hope this helps, because it's I feel like I'm going nowhere, but at the same time I feel like I'm going somewhere. And I really gotta push through it. I know how it goes. Fear of failure, but it doesn't matter. I don't have that thought of fear of failure or something anymore. No, I just do it. And when I find a way, I'll give you that way. Alright. That's it. That's all there is to it. I hope if you came this far with viewing my video, thanks. Honestly, I appreciate you. You're a diehard follower. And honestly, I'll help you out. I'll help you out. My first subscribers out here, I just got 11 subscribers. I'm just talking, but I'll help you out, bro. Honestly, I'm trying to fix it for myself. When I fix it for myself, I'll fix it for you. Honestly. Anyway, peace out. I hope you have a nice day. Keep on searching. If you find something, just comment down below. I'll definitely check it out. I don't have a lot of subscribers or something, but you know, if you need it, if you need me to review things or do some things, you know, you wouldn't do it yourself, I'd do it, honestly, gladly. Alright, see you in the next one.